Hey guys, good morning. How are you?
Morning.
It's been a long time since we do our last vlog.
Vlog it up.
So guys, yeah. How are we, mister?
We're doing good. We're doing good. Ready to go to the Philippines. We got a house. We got a lot. We're doing well.
So yeah guys, we are going we are going to the Philippines.
Here they are. Hi guys. Here's my breakfast. That's what my wife made for me today. She's a good cook. Look at, she made potato chips.
What are you doing? My chips in the morning. That's not you.
No, I got hungry for chips. But you know.
We are so excited actually, and my husband too is going with me. Finally, we just got home from church. But I haven't breakfast yet, so I went to the church with empty stomach, just water. 2 glasses of water. That's good actually, because my tummy is getting big. And it's actually when I was in the Philippines, I gained weight.
So that's all they do is eat in the Philippines. Eat,
Eat.
They always have celebration.
Yeah, my parents always go to market to buy food.
Yeah,
so
but they
it's
buy
always fresh.
They buy good food though.
Yeah, fish, vegetables. So that's what I love in the Philippines when I'm there. Always fish, even fish every day. I can do that. Fish and vegetables. So guys, my husband is so excited because why? Because his basketball court is ongoing now. Because we bought that lot that I was talking about when I was in the Philippines. So my husband is excited to go to the Philippines because he will have his own basketball court.
That's important.
So yeah guys. So our life is still the same. Work, and my husband exercise, church, house.
Eat potato chips.
That's not good for you.
Because my wife makes this is my breakfast I get. This is my wife makes me for breakfast.
No, because you don't eat. So guys, here's my leftover pancit. I'm gonna just reheat this, and then I'm gonna cook 2 eggs. What you? That's all? That's not you.
I got a big breakfast.
What did you eat at breakfast?
Chicken, 2 eggs, protein drink, bread, peanut butter. Lots of food.
See, I cook rice. So guys, what do you like?
What do you rather have? Pancit, eggs, and rice, or potato chips? No salt.
So guys, I have pancit and eggs and rice.
Rice. Rice is nice.
Yeah. And we're going out.
We're going
after eating.
We're going to eat out.
I have to remind myself not to eat quick.
But don't eat quick. That's always
because makes my tummy so big.
Yeah, it's even if your husband rushes you, don't eat fast. Tell him to hang on, wait, slow down, settle down, mister. Settle down.
Hey guys, how are you?
It's a little bit chilly yet.
Yes, it is.
It's on for right now.
Hi guys, so we are fall right now. It's a little cold. But ito guys ang aking outfit. My husband.
I'm gonna go get some sweatpants.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it says that it will be hot today, like it's 72. Sweet pants. So dito na si Mr. He got his sweatpants
Just in case.
Yeah, just in
It's a little
case.
windy out there.
Because the temperature says that it will be like 77.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, but it's a little
it's
cold.
a little windy. Bobcat in there. Where is it?
Right there.
Where?
There he is.
You make dog bones? No, not on me.
You're gonna have a bear painted on it. This is all temporary, okay? There's gonna be a room right there with windows at eye level and a balcony. There's a bunker back behind there you can't see that you'll be in. And the animals will be let out of the bunker back over there. So in essence, you'll be in the cage and the animals will walk around you. So,
And snarl and shit.
but the goal is to have residents that would like to run artists and photographers. So by having something that you're actually allowed, and then we can get. And we started off as a woodchuck, maybe a beaver.
Oh.
That could be the exit hole. It could be down there.
Wow. I can't believe all the water. It's like all dried up like that.
That's just a little wolf.
What is yours? Blue. Well, you don't count. You're not blue. Let me guess.
Can I hold him?
German parents,
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
German or Irish.
German and we don't know about that. English. Yeah,
English.
right.
So you are a product of every ancestor that you've ever had, right?
Yeah.
Actually, they're all red foxes.
Well, how?
Again,
Adorable.
there are. See the black ones on the ground?
Yeah, different color.
So there are 49 different
wow.
coat color variations selectively bred.
Is that a
Okay.
coyote?
Yeah, over
Or
there.
is that right here?
Come on, come on.
Oh, there's a wolf.
Yeah.
Wait, I got
Are you a snorter?
Wolfie!
Oh my God.
Wolfie!
Is that a coyote, right?
Oh, that's Kiowa.
Kiowa.
And Kiowa was coal black when she was born.
Oh, I get a little
But
old.
their hair turns blue
Wow.
as they get older.
Really blue.
Yeah. Well, mine was
That's
white
blue.
when I swam,
Yeah.
brown when I stopped.
Kind of bluish. That's good.
Yeah. All right.
So is this a coyote?
Yeah. Come here, sweetness.
The coyote.
That's the baby. My baby. Go ahead and toss
Hi,
it.
sweetie.
Video. Can you do video in that?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Okay. Here's my question. How do wolves talk?
Howling.
So talk to the wolves, and if you're a wimpy wolf, you have to kiss the dogs on the nose.
Ooh.
Go ahead. Talk.
Talk.
They're not Indians. Come on.
How?
Come on. A couple martinis. Let's go.
There you go. Very good.
Wow.
Is that a little whipping?
She spent way too much time at MLT.
How many wolves, full-grown wolves do you have?
They're hungry, I think.
No, she's messing with my mojo here. She's doing it just to show how.
Oh, she's trying to get it going.
She's hungry and she's interfering, so we're gonna have to just let it go at that.
Pretty cool.
That would have been your ringtone for your answer.
Absolutely.
All right, come on, folks.
Okay. I'm so excited. Oh.
But the thing is, you got to be careful with he snaps.
Oh. He's not right in the head.
Look at that. Good one, Carol. You're
He
smart.
told us that.
Oh. Wow, she's
He told
smart.
us that.
Yeah, I'm seeing a little bit of Sue behavior there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow. He's getting some good food. So come over here. What the hell's going on?
What is that? Potatoes or meat?
Deer meat.
Deer
Deer.
meat. Do you get roadkill, like deer meat roadkill?
We process over 300 roadkill deer a year.
Do you really?
I
Wow.
have a great picture. Oh, there's a friendly one there.
Now that's a wolf, right?
No, that's a coyote.
Coyote still? Still
Yeah, coyote.
The last time I was here, you told me to. I had to do it. I put my finger in there he just put it in his mouth and kind of licked it a little bit and then left it alone.
Is that him or?
Oh, that was a wolf.
Yeah, well, we had wolves over there, but we had wolves in there that died, and so we shifted those two over and then moved the coyote into the smaller pen.
Okay. All by himself?
No, he's actually got a girlfriend, but we never see her.
I just got some non-leaded Volt 22s with a night vision scope. So, some of the time changes on my mind.
Get in there with them.
Are they wolves? So,
Get in there with them.
I thought you only had 2 wolves.
I've got you.
Okay.
Come on, sweetheart. We're all going up here.
Photo op.
Yep.
Going up further. They always leave. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful.
Right over here. Okay. Well, come over here.
Is it electrical fence?
That wire is. Okay.
Okay.
Hey, buddy.
Hi, babies.
Okay. Now, put your face against that fence. Put your face.
Oh, which one's electrical?
Just not here. So come over here. Get it? Are you getting pictures or anything?
Aww. Oh, he's licking. Hi, baby. Hey, pretty. Oh.
I like it.
I know.
Okay, here's what I want. All right, we need to get you turned around. Can you sit on that rock?
Oh, okay.
Huh? Okay, I want you to turn around, stand up then. Put it on your toss over the top of the pen. Over the top.
Oh, okay. Okay, give it to them. Why? They'll bite you.
That's why we don't stick fingers in. Don't stick
He
fingers.
licked me.
Licking's one thing, sticking food objects in.
Sticking. Yeah.
So toss it over the top.
I don't know if I can.
That was like a howl.
Oh, he got the both.
You got both of them.
I knew she couldn't do it, I just wanted you all to make fun of her.
I know. He wants
We
me to
did
be
that.
the sitting duck.
Oh my.
He want to eat us all up.
Did you hear that growling?
Yes, he wants to eat us. He wants us.
Give me more. Give me more.
I want more stuff. Food. I want.
Would you like me to stand with a towel over
Yeah.
my
I took more, please. I can put it in my sister's cup holder.
Wolf, there, wolf.
But would you have as much fun
I'm gonna take him home.
pushing a guy around? I mean, I think you live for that.
But not my husband, of course.
Your boy toy.
Look at that.
Vultures.
Is that a boy toy?
Vultures.
Wow, that's too
I'm
bad.
gonna take a pee.
Every. Most of your bridges. Okay, now we're gonna go here. Come on.
This way?
Yep. Up, up. All right, now. Turn around.
Picture.
Okay, come back here, Sue. Picture. Send it to
Well,
me,
she'll
Carol.
I will.
send it to you, you do. One more time. Give me your Sue.
Sue.
Come on, Sue.
Oh. Hey, who's that? Tom?
Claire.
Claire.
Ooh,
Well, you
Claire.
can't have two. Oh.
Ooh, Claire.
So he's a
Means
boy?
beautiful.
You,
No, it means, well, that's you, Claire from Wisconsin, yes.
boy and girl?
Girl, boy.
Girl, boy.
Cute. Oh, he's yawning. Aw.
Get it?
Now can I
Yeah.
Yes, honey.
see his head over on this side? See him?
So this is the beginning of our raptor center. This is going to be a body of a giant phoenix. Body, there's going to be a barn house. This is the head, and this is the thing that has to get finished. So, we have one wing off there for bald eagles. There's another wing off there for
Down every time I take a picture.
Oh, look at you.
Can I pet you?
She'll make noises, but yeah, you can. She's just going to get scared.
She's like,
well,
I'm done with that.